Want to create viral AI terrarium videos like these? You do not need real plants, glass jars, or any crafting experience. In this tutorial, I will show you how to come up with a unique concept, create a 10-panel storyboard, and turn it into a satisfying AI terrarium making ASMR video. Let's get started. Step 1. Generate your prompts with a custom GPT. First, go to chatgpt.com/gpts. In the search bar, type AI Terrarium Video Builder, then select the custom GPT created by HitPaw. Click Start Chat to begin. If you do not have a specific concept in mind, the GPT can generate 5 unique terrarium ideas for you. For this tutorial, let's choose the third one. Once you select an idea, the GPT will generate 2 prompts. The first is an image prompt for creating the storyboard, and the second is a video prompt for animating it later. For now, copy the image prompt. Step 2. Create the storyboard in HitPaw FotorPea. Next, we need to turn our idea into a visual storyboard. For this step, we will use HitPaw FotorPea, a powerful AI image generator that works especially well for this type of workflow. You can click the link on the screen or download it using the link in the description. Open HitPaw FotorPea, go to AI Generator, and select Text to Image. Paste the image prompt we just copied, then select the GPT Image 2 model. You can set the image quality to medium or high. After testing several options, I found that this model produced the most consistent results for 10-panel storyboards. Click Generate, and there we go. We now have a complete 10-panel storyboard showing the entire terrarium building process from start to finish. It looks amazing. Step 3. Turn the storyboard into a video. Now, return to the custom GPT and copy the video prompt. If you are creating the video on your phone, click the link on the screen to try AI Marvels. It is a great mobile app with a wide range of AI video templates and creative effects. For this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process on a computer using HitPaw VikPea. Open HitPaw VikPea, go to Video Generator, and upload the storyboard as your reference image. Paste the video prompt, then select the Cdance 2.0 model. It works especially well for realistic movement and satisfying DIY-style sequences. Set the duration to 15 seconds, choose the aspect ratio that works best for your platform, and click Generate. And that's it. We have created a complete AI terrarium making ASMR video, starting with a simple concept, turning it into a detailed storyboard, and finally bringing it to life as a video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe to our channel. We will keep bringing you the latest AI tools, creative workflows, and industry updates.